Lagay ko kalabas natin dito. Amoy tayong manok.
Andito pala yung ano? No, that's my sandwich. Yay! Thank you, my dear. Uy! One. Nakita mo sa camera. Lapit mo din.
What chicken? Oh, look at this plate. Oh.
Ollie. Put the drinks away.
Hot?
Again.
Pwede mo yung pindikan yung bag ko.
If it gets stuck there. If it gets stuck. What? That's stuck. Nanay, tummy mo. Look on there. Yeah, I know. Hey, look at this one. There's so many. Yeah. Thank you. Here and 5 here.
Sino yan, Seffi?
Tungtung.
Tungtung sa huli.
Wait lang.
Yan, game. Mababatas, bababa. Yan. Yan. Hindi ko nakikita pa mo.
lang.
Ha?
Taas mo. Pakikisis ko. Ganyan.
May mga donuts mo.
I can taste now.
Service ice cream natin.
Wow. Baby, no, baby on.
Hoy, inggit! Walang buhat!
Para kay Exodus.
Sinabi mo kay Kevin sa
What's the gummy in your mouth first?
Yan yung bilihan lang ng ano. Tara!
Look what's inside there.
Of his death and resurrection, we offer you, Lord, the bread of life.
Hold hands kayo.
Are you holding something? Oh.
Yeah, she's holding some.
You, it's not heavy for you.
Wow, look at the fishy. Anong parrot? Ah, yan, ayun oh.
Wow, so big. Can I see? Aw, so cute.
Ayun, diretso kayo.
Aw,
Oh, don't touch it.
hi. Mickey.
What? Ay, si Goofy. Oh,
Oh, Mommy, come here. Say, go here. Oh, here.
yeah.
Wow! You can see the fish. Oh, you try one of
Oh, huwag niyang pakalapit dyan, Sefi, ha? Oli, let's go.
Is it here?
Sige.
Is it here? Here.
No.
Kare-kare po na.
Wow. Latina pala.
Hey, what's in the kapalo?
Papicture ko kay Kuya. Gutom na tong mga to eh. Wow, ganda naman pala ng presentation.
Crispy pata po.
Wait, SP is kinda hungry already. And we're still taking photos.
What's the peel of the rest is a leaf?
It's a banana leaf.
What's this?
It's lechon sauce.
I'm very hungry.
Sorry, din na mo yung kasi pa.
I'm gonna try the lechon.
Yeah.
Yogurt, that's it. With no food at all. Spring yogurt.
Come on, Belen.
You want me to get up now?
Just one pellet at a time.
Uy, uy, uy. Wait, all the places.
It's hot.
I don't feel it. It's not. No, not.
We'll take a photo of you there. Smile.